Welcome back, my name is Zach, and this is a tiny tutorial discussing the techniques and things that I've learned from this makeup application. I broke out the airbrush after years without it, and honestly the blend between the colors was divine. I've been focusing on adding detailed backgrounds to my art. This really helps map out the color placement and helps me focus on the overall concept. Layering light then dark colors, alternating between the two helps to create depth, in my opinion. Blasting pure water through the airbrush created patches of skin tones on the painting, which turned into yellow highlights for the clouds. For accuracy of placement and dimension, I used a body painting brush to create the blue sky borders and the white highlights on the clouds. I played with a half and half face color to mimic the colors of the clouds, keeping them separate but also connected through the color placement and both unique in their own ways. I wanted to add something sparkly for the eyes, so I did a black, deep glitter eye. And it was pretty fun. I used some pigments to help blend it in on the rest of the face. That's the final look. I hope you learned something, and I'll see you next time. From my face to yours. Bye!